Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the service. Today, we're exploring UpCloud, found at UpCloud.com, a platform known for its high-performance cloud servers. UpCloud prides itself on delivering fast and reliable infrastructure for a variety of applications, from simple websites to complex enterprise solutions. They leverage cutting-edge technology, including max IOPS storage, to ensure optimal performance and minimize latency. This focus on speed and reliability makes UpCloud a compelling choice for businesses and individuals who demand top-tier performance from their cloud hosting provider. One of the key differentiators of UpCloud is its simple and intuitive control panel. Designed for ease of use, the control panel allows users to quickly deploy and manage their servers. This user-friendly interface simplifies tasks such as server provisioning, resource scaling, and monitoring. Whether you're a seasoned system administrator or just getting started with cloud hosting, UpCloud's control panel makes managing your infrastructure a breeze. UpCloud offers a range of flexible pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. They provide a pay-as-you-go option, allowing you to only pay for the resources you consume. This flexible pricing structure makes UpCloud a cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. They also offer various pre-configured plans with set resources, providing a predictable monthly cost. In addition to their powerful infrastructure and user-friendly control panel, UpCloud provides excellent customer support. Their support team is available 24/7 to assist with any issues you may encounter. This commitment to customer service ensures that you always have access to the help you need, whenever you need it. UpCloud's comprehensive documentation and knowledge base also provide valuable resources for troubleshooting and self-service support. UpCloud's global network of data centers ensures low latency and high availability for users worldwide. Strategically located across multiple continents, these data centers provide redundancy and resilience, safeguarding your data and ensuring your applications remain online. This global presence makes UpCloud an ideal choice for businesses with a global audience or those seeking to expand their reach internationally. So, if you're in the market for a high-performance, reliable, and easy-to-use cloud hosting provider, definitely check out UpCloud at UpCloud.com. Remember, the link is in the description below.